Hi there, welcome to Module 6, Data Management with Stata. And this module will be covering data checking for consistencies. And because it's so wide, this is the final major thing that is checked in data. We're going to spend quite some time. So in this module and in the next, we will be talking about checking for consistencies. And even in 8, we'll do a bit of that, just to put some things in perspective too. But yeah, so we'll just be looking at skips and roster summaries for this, and interesting things are in this module. So we're going to look at understanding skips and the summarize command, how we use that to understand for logic, because the whole idea is to test consistency. Some things will not add up. And then we will look at checking skips using the in range and the in list functions. These ones too are not commands. So we have done functions. Now we have done a prefix. So some things are not commands, and that's why people just want to teach you commands, but sometimes they are not just commands. You need to understand a few more concepts. In lesson 3, we'll talk about checking roster summaries, very powerful for consistency checks. And then we have what we call appending data sets. Sometimes we have to do that. Merging data sets. We're going to have part 1 and part 2 in lesson 6, and then we take it to the practical levels. So there are quite a number of things to learn in this module, and quite a number of commands and quite a number of strategies. So please pay attention, remove any form of distraction so that you can really absorb these things that we're sharing now, and you'll be able to solve the problems at the end. So I would see you in lesson 1, and I'm hopeful that all these commands and functions will be easy to understand by the time we are done. So tighten or fasten your seatbelt and prepare for the ride of your life.